Alright guys, so this is our next project. Picked this up and not too far from here. It's a 2012 Audi A4 Avant with only 45,000 miles on it. So basically I was looking at the pictures. I knew that the extension, I could see on the pictures that the extension was out. I'm gonna pop the hood and see how much of the rail it actually pulled. Can you try yanking on it?
Yep.
Alright, well we can't get the hood open, so let's check out the rest of the car real quick and then we'll work on that. So it's got the panorama roof on it. It's real clean. Starts right up. Yeah, everything's nice and clean. Wants to open by itself, not me open it. Alright. Got some all-weather foam absorber, mostly there. Underneath cover. That's a big deal. Those are always missing and those cost a pretty penny. Oh, damn it. I shouldn't have done that. But it's alright, we'll vacuum that out. Alright, well, otherwise the car is super clean. Got this little area here, but I don't know if it's even going to be worth to do anything with that. Still haven't made up my mind on that. We'll see. No books. Valet key. Everything looks good, so we're going to try getting that hood open and check out the important stuff on how badly it's actually damaged. Home link. Try pulling the safety. And alright, got it opened up. I was holding on, even at the auction they couldn't open it, but it was basically like this, and because the support shifted, it was stuck on this and it was just holding by the safety. So we got that knocked over and got it opened up. Oh shit. Yeah, it pulled the rail a lot more than I was expecting it to pull. That's supposed to be perfectly straight. Alright, well, we got a frame machine, got a couple cars under our belt, so should be able to take care of that. On this side, it looks like it just ripped the bolts out where the extension bolts into the frame rail. It looks like it just ripped the bolts straight out, so it didn't pull that too much. But alright, well, still think it's a good buy. Not too worried about it. We actually have a parts car that I had standing here, so we'll be able to use the hood, the fender. We got the bumper in the shop, the headlights. As you can see, that's what this rail is supposed to be, pretty straight there. And then on there, we just ripped the bolts out of there. So we'll be able to just take this front piece and weld it onto the other one. Alright, so we checked this out. I'm still happy with the car. Not gonna have a chance to get this taken apart and further look into it today. We'll get to it tomorrow. We'll start dismantling it and getting the rest of the parts taken off of it to completely assess the damage. Not too worried about for parts and everything because I got that parts car, so if there's even a little bit more damaged parts, it's okay because I can just get everything off the parts car. Alright, so we'll see you guys tomorrow once we start taking it apart. And one last thing before we go today, we got it out into the sun. Originally when I was buying it, I thought it was black, but it's actually this really nice blue with blue metallic, silver metallic in there. Really nice color. We've had one of these before. This blue with the tan interior, kind of happy about that, kind of excited about that. Nice color combination. All right, see you tomorrow. All right, guys, let's get it up in the air, take a look from what's going on underneath, and then we'll go from there. I don't think this rail is bad at all. It's not leaking oil, surprisingly, on these 2-liter turbo engines. These front timing covers always leak. Figured if it was leaking, we could reseal it once we have the front end off. Oh, look at that. Busted the cradle, the engine cradle. Should it break anywhere else? Not that I see. It looks like it's just that one corner. Oh no, it's busted up here too. Yeah. Alright, well, that's more work for us, but the parts car still has this cradle, so that's good. This has the electronic, or no, still has the hydraulic power steering, so that's good, but it looks like it's in good condition. Okay, the rest of the rail we already saw from up top. Transmission looks in good condition, untouched. Man, that drive shaft is close. German engineering right there. Good old forklift drivers, but that's actually not that bad. Usually they get it a little bit worse than that. Oh, that popped out. Sway bar link. Get one of those. It's not too bad. Other one's still in place. That's just a plastic piece. We'll probably be able to get that off the parts car. Let's take a look at the bolts for this rear subframe. Alright, those normally, if anything shifted, you'll be able to see around this line on the washer. So everything looks like it's in place. We'll still measure everything out. Alright guys, so now that we've assessed the situation, assessed the damage for the most part, that's it for this episode. Make sure you guys subscribe, turn on those post notifications. That way you can catch our next video. We're going to start dismantling it, taking this apart, and then that way we can 100% assess what the situation is, start getting parts from the parts car, and get this on the frame and get working on it. So we'll see you in the next video.